In this video, we will compare N8N versus Gumloop. N8N and Gumloop are both automation tools, however, they cater to different needs and different audiences. N8N is an open source platform designed for users who want to create highly customizable workflows and integrations between a wider variety of applications. If offered, a virtual interface that allows users to complicate and complex tasks complete them easily with flexibility, and since it's open source, it can all be self-hosted, giving users complete control over their automation process. N8N is particularly well suited for developers, technical teams who require deep levels of customization and the ability to work with API and databases and other advanced functionalities. On the other hand, Gumloop focuses on more user feedback management and customer experience automation. It primarily uses and gathers, organizes and analyzes feedback from customers in real time. While Gumloop does not have the same level of technical flexibility as N8N, it offers a streamlined solution for businesses looking to improve customer engagement and automated feedback loops, surveys and customer experience workflows. Gumloop's simpler and more user-friendly approach makes it a great choice for non-technical teams who want to automate their customer feedback process without diving too deep into coding or advanced integrations. In summary, N8N offers broader automation capabilities with a technical focus, while Gumloop is specialised for customer feedback and experience automation, ideal for non-technical users. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.